Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn basic but important 5 shortcuts in Microsoft Word. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn those shortcuts quickly and efficiently. Let me show you how. The very first shortcut is copy. How can we copy our data in Microsoft Word? So the shortcut key is first select the data. I will select this text and press Ctrl C. When we press Ctrl C, it will copy the data. It links with the next shortcut, which is the paste. If I want to paste the copied data, I will place the cursor where I want to paste and then press Ctrl V, and it will paste the copied data for me. The third shortcut key is cut. Cut mean if I want to cut the text from anywhere, cut mean it will move the text from one place to another place. So for example, this text, I will select the text and press Ctrl X. Now you can see this text has been disappeared, and wherever I want to paste, I will place the cursor and then press Ctrl V. It will it will paste the cut data for me. Next shortcut key is save. If I want to save my data as I do the work in Microsoft Word, I will press Control S, so it will keep saving my data. Last shortcut key is undo. Undo mean to bring back your last step. For example, here, if I select this word learning and press delete, and if I want to bring this word back, I will press Ctrl Z and it will bring back the learning word. It will, the purpose of this shortcut is to undo your last action. So these are the very basic but important shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Hit the like button if you like this video and leave the comment in comment section if this video helpful.